Hi, thank you for your interest in Melody Fantasy's plastic streamer fringes. First of all, this is a DIY kit, not a ready-to-use item. Yes, it is time-consuming, but extremely rewarding in the end. Also, we promise that our instruction sheet will make the process super easy. The garland will be colorful, full of texture, and most importantly, weather durable. Your kit should contain streamers like this, with a row of thin ribbon, maybe a pack of foil streamers. Apart from pre-packed kits, you can also purchase single color strands to make your own color palette. There are simply countless ways to create a streamer garland. You can create streamer garlands in different shapes by adjusting the length of the plastic strips, such as a V shape or uneven length throughout. Then have two garlands stacked against each other to create a wall, or simply a straight cut with even length throughout. To create the streamer garland, tie the thin ribbon to a comfortable height, then take out the plastic streamer strands, adjust it to the length you want, and tie it to the ribbon like this. Play around with the length and colors of the strands. You will get very interesting and different results. If your kit comes with the foil streamers, just tear it out and tie it to the garland just like the plastic streamers. So how do we blend one color into the other? Let's take this two pink for example. Now I have created two different color blocks. We're gonna try to blend them in. Simply alternate these two colors in different frequency. In this case, do one light pink, two hot pink, and then one light pink, one hot pink. So gradually switch from one color to the other. If your kit comes with materials such as a row of chiffon or tutus, simply cut it to the similar length as the plastic strip, then tie them to your garland just like any other plastic strips. Okay, so this is all for today's video. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook or Instagram for new exciting streamer garland kits. Bye!